From the shadows of ingenuity comes the ultimate definition of air power.
The wing actuators are synchronized.
Let's check the thermal shielding on the engine casing. Tolerances are looking optimal.
Precision meets strength. This is the future of flight. Precision is non-negotiable. Robots assemble the stealth wings. This is the future of aerospace manufacturing.
Precision at this scale requires absolute perfection. Every micron is tracked in real time.
Aligning segment 7. Locked. Precision verified.
Every subsystem is perfectly integrated, connecting pilot to machine for complete mission control. The mission processor acts as the aircraft's brain. Fiber optics transmit data at the speed of light. Every module is now perfectly connected.
This is Unit 4. Alignment looks perfect. Initiate main hydraulic flow.
The Pratt Whitney F135, a marvel of precision engineering.
All systems nominal, proceed with insertion. Perfect alignment. Lock it down.
Deep within the aircraft, precision meets power. Smart bombs are locked and loaded. Electro-optical targeting tracks with absolute precision. Spherical arrays, radar modules scan and track mul targets instantly. Infrared cameras see through the dark. Thousands of parts advance to this final moment. Brought together with absolute, flawless precision, the F-35 stands complete. Every panel is scrutinized, mapping every single micron. Technicians verify every detail. This is zero defect. The F-35 begins its ground movement. Every system is pushed to the limit. This is a critical step before flight. Pushing the limits of man and machine. This is the apex of aerial engineering.
Eagle 1, cleared for simulated strike. All systems green. Proceeding stealth mode.